how to log into your Tumblr account after forgetting your password. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into any browser and then simply type down tumblr.com, and then from there you'll actually be able to see the option of login on this bottom right corner. Tap on login, and then from there you'll actually be able to get three different options. So if you have created your account using your Google ID, you can tap on continue with Google, or if you have used your Apple ID, then you can tap on continue with Apple. Right, so after that, so if you have created your account like manually, you can actually tap on continue with email right here, and now what you're going to do is write in your email address, and then you can tap on next. But if you have like used any of those accounts like your Google or your Apple, then there might be a requirement of adding their own credentials in order to log into your Tumblr account. Simply do that, follow all of the given on-screen prompt, and if you're doing manually, write in the email, tap on next, and then there will be the option of writing down the password, right? So in there will actually also be the option of forgot your password on the bottom right corner right here. Tap on forgot password, then you can actually open a email link sent to you. Then you can actually set a new password using that email link, and you can come back to your login page and use that new password, and you can tap on login, and just like that you'll successfully be able to log into your Tumblr account after forgetting password.